binary. 47 into binary. Firdaus missing. Went home. 1041 once. Correct? How many times? 23, sir? 23 is 1, and then this is 11, sir? 1, and then 5 is a 1, and then 2 is a 1, and then 1 is a 0. Correct? So what is the answer here? 1041 ones. That is the correct answer. Otherwise, you want to convert the binary into the decimal means what you have to write always? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 8. Which is absent here? 2 power 4 is absent. 16 is not there, by the way. 2 power 5 this is, that is how much? 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Same? Check that. 32, 40, 47, correct. 47 correct only. That is how we have converted the decimal to binary and then binary to decimal. After that we have done the mathematical operations for the binary numbers, that is addition, subtraction and all we have done. So for the addition, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is how much? 1, 0. Yes. Triple 1 is how much? 1, 1. Next 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1 borrow and then answer also 1 only. Then 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. That's it. Triple 1 also, that is 0 only you will get. Then this is about the addition and then subtraction we have discussed. After that we have discussed the logic gates. For the AND gate, the symbol is like D only. Like this it will be there. 2 inputs will be there, A, B and then output is C here. C is equals to what is the Boolean expression here? A dot B. So that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the inputs we had. Then 0 into 0 is how much? 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. That is about the AND gate we have discussed. Next is OR gate. OR gate nothing but you will get the symbol like this, like arrow only, that is A, B, C here. 0, 0 is how much here? 0 for the OR gate. Which operation here by the way? Plus. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 we will get maximum only. That is about the OR gate we have discussed. After that we have discussed the NAND gate. NAND gate nothing but what we have seen? AND plus NOT. For the AND you have to do the NOT. AND is this. For that NOT nothing but what we get? NAND 1, 1, 1, 0. That is about the NAND. NOR. For the OR you have to put the NOT nothing but what will get? 1, 0, 0 you will get. 1, 0, 0. That is about the NOR. For the NAND means we got the just AND only. For that we have put the bubble. For the NOR nothing but we got the OR and then for that we have put the bubble here. That is about the NAND and then NOR gates. And after that we have seen the NOT gate also. NOT gate is A is there here means output will be what? A bar. So if I give 0, output will be how much? 0 bar is 1. If I give the 1, then output is 1 bar is 0. Now my question is, if I say 0 double bar. 0 double bar is how much? 0 only. Bar gets cancelled always. You will get how much? 0 only. 1 double bar is 1 only. Okay. A double bar is A. B double bar is B. So this is what you will get the complementary symbols. And after that we have discussed the XOR and then XNOR. In XOR and then XNOR, I said one equation right before. That equation is correct only. Truth table is wrong actually. Truth table is wrong. In that truth table, what we have discussed there, whenever 0, 0 is there, whenever 1, 1 is there, at that time what I said? I said here also 1, here also 1, right? So there is 0 actually. There is 0. Okay. Puchak. Can you change that? For the XOR and then XNOR, change it. XOR and then XNOR. For the XOR, like inputs 0, unlike inputs 1. Expression is correct only. Otherwise you change the heading, that's enough. Change the heading. You don't have this much of logic also, at least. Direct diagram. Diagram bubble ಹಾಕ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮೇಧಾವಿ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ನೀವೇ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಜೀನಿಯಸ್. ಏನು ವರುಣ್, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ, ವಿಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್. ತಗ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗಾಯ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಬುಲ್ಶಿಟ್ ಗಾಯ್. ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಉದಯ್. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಪಾಪ. ಉದಯ್. No, we have to score like that actually. See this guy, this is number 1 ಉದಯ್. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನು ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಏನಂದೆ ನಾನು? ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ರು. ಏನು ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ? ಎಸ್ ಮಿಸ್. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಶಿಶಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗನ್ನ 150 ಅಬೋವ್ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. somebody is getting up, making noise. You only Girish making 150 above. Anybody? You got how many? 153. Very good. Then anybody else? 140 above? Nobody? 130 above? Good. Drishti, Uday. Good. Harish, nu kuda na? Then 120 above. Good. Mate kelala nanu. Somebody might be thinking that why she is not asking the next marks. A XOR B. So here C is equals to what we have written? A XOR B. I said the expression correctly only, that is AB bar plus BA bar. AB bar plus BA bar. Now whenever you see the truth table, at that time 2 like inputs are there, at that time 0 as the output we will get. 2 unlike inputs are there, at that time 1 as the output we will get. Okay, so this is the XOR. So A B bar I said. Let's check that values. First of all, I'll just tell you the shortcut way to identify the answer. So truth table I'll tell you. Now this is the expression I have. My inputs are what? First inputs A 0 and then B is also 0 only. So that only A 0 here and then B also 0 only. Now first what I am having here? A B bar we are having. A is nothing but how much I have taken? 0. B bar, B is how much? 0. Bar is how much? 1. Plus B is how much? 0. A bar is how much? A is how much? 0. A bar is 1. So that 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 also 0 only. 0 plus 0, how much that is? 0. That is the answer. First answer is that 0 only, we got correct only. Then next one is, next input is how much? 0 and then 1. A is 0, B is 1. So that A is 0, okay, 0 I have written here. B bar nothing but B is how much? 1. 1 bar is how much? 0. So that 0 plus, next one is B A bar. B is how much? 1. A bar, A is how much? 0. 0 bar is how much? 1 of course. So that only 1 we got. This will be how much? 0 plus 1 is 1. We got the correct answer here. Clear? Next one is A is how much? A is 1. B is 0. A is 1. B is 0. 0 bar is how much? 1 plus B is how much? 0. A bar is how much? 0 we will get. So what is the answer? 1 only again. In the same way, last one also how much will get? 0 only. Clear? That is how you have to check the truth table. You don't need to draw so many rows and all, no need to do that and all. Simply by the Boolean expression only we can make that. Then that is about the XOR gate. Then XNOR gate. Can you draw the graphical representations for this? Yes, sir. Draw the graphical representation for the XOR. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಡೀಪ್. ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. Done. Yes, finished, huh? Check this ABC. A was how much? 0 0 1 1. So that 0 0 1 1. This is A, correct? Then B. B is how much? 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1. This is a B we will get. A is 0 0 1 1, B is 0 1 0 1 we will get. Next C is what here? C is what? 0 1 1 0. 0 1 1 0 nothing but 0 1 1 0 here. That is what the output you will get. 0 1 1 0. Drawn the same? Yes. Next XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Just complementary for that. XNOR gate just complementary for that. So there in the XOR what we got, whenever the different inputs are there, then output is maximum. Now what will get? Different inputs are there and the output is how much? Minimum. So that here 0, here 0, here 1, here 1 will get. Then the Boolean expression for that is A bar B bar plus AB. That is the Boolean expression. Check your answers like this, same method. Check your answers. And also draw the graphical representation for that. Finished everything? Yes. This is X NOR B, A X NOR B. Check that. A0, B0, 0 bar, how much? 1. Again 0 bar is 1 plus 0 and then 0. How much answer will you get? 1. Then next case is 0 bar, how much? 1. 1 bar, how much? 0. Plus next case is AB as it is, you have to take, how much answer is? 0. Then next case is 1 bar, 0 and then 0 bar, 1 plus AB as it is 1 0, then what is the answer you will get? 0. Then A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. At that time also how much you will get the output as? 1 only. Why? Because A bar, B bar, how much that is? 0 0 plus AB as it is 1 1, the answer is 1. That is what the answer you will get. Then next one is, whenever you see the equivalent diagram here, circuit this one graphical representation for that, whenever 0 0 is there, how much answer you are getting here? 1. So you have to get the maximum value. Then after that 2 zeros, then how much? 1. That is the answer. 1 0 0 1. You got the same answer? Yes. That is about the XOR and then XNOR. Now I will tell you, by using this expression, whatever we got this expression, you have to draw the circuit symbol. Otherwise I will just give you one combination, you have to tell me which gate that is. Okay na? So I will give you the combination now. Tell me which gate that is. OR gate. Check properly. ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀ ಎ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ಗೇಟ್ಗೆ. ನೋಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡು. ವಿಚ್ ಗೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ XOR. XOR will come. Let's check by the Boolean expression only. You cannot check in any other way. You can check by this truth table also, but it will take time. It will take minimum 3 minutes like that time. So directly with the Boolean expression only we will check that. Now here listen properly. Here how much is going here for this? A is there, nothing but A will not get split as A by 2. Don't take current electricity. Okay na? So don't write. Okay, some of the Medhavis will be there. They might be deeply involved in current electricity, but they will not even solve one circuit also. I will tell you one very important thing about the physics. Whoever involves deeply, they can never get the answer. So you have to, how much ever you have to think, that much only you have to think. So don't do PhD in anything. Just we are here for getting the need seat. For that, physics is a supportive subject. Physics is very important subject, by the way. If you don't get the marks in physics, you can never get the medical seat. Don't think that by the chemistry and then by the biology only I can get the medical seat. Finally, I will give you Sharpa for you. Okay. So here A. Then A is coming like this. Then from here how much is coming? A only. It is coming A only till here. After this how much is becoming as? A bar. Clear? Here B is going like this. B okay. Then here B bar. Finished. The problem is finished now. A and then B bar is there. Which gate here? AND gate. So that what I can write? A B bar. Here which gate again? AND gate. So one of the input is A bar into B. Correct? For that again which operation here? Plus. So what will get here? A B bar plus A bar into B. So which gate this is? XOR. XOR gate. That is the answer here. That's it. That much of complicated circuit. In the same way you draw the XNOR, combination of the gates. XNOR. By using the Boolean expression only you draw that. ఆలోచించిన చాలు కానీ చెయ్యి, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెయ్యి. You have to draw the XNOR also. take this expression and then make the combination of gates. Anybody drawn that? Don't blindly follow that one. First of all, think properly. Worst diagrams yaak ramana life alli idella idenu aa diagram e kodtare optional aವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎರಡೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡಿಂದನೇ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Input should be 2 only. You don't draw that again one AND gate and then 2 NOT gates and all. Okay. Just connect that. That's it. You will get the answer. You just connect to the top AB. I'll tell you different answers for this. So one of the answer is, what is our expression actually? A bar B bar plus AB. So A bar B bar plus AB. From this only I will draw one diagram. A bar B bar plus AB. So first of all, in one of the output I have to get it as A bar B bar. Another output should be how much? AB. So to get AB here, I am giving the B directly, okay. Then how much I have to give? Only A I have to give. But here how much I am giving here? A naught. So that I should not give this directly, I will take connection like this. This is A, this is B. Okay, finished. That one is finished. Then next case is A bar B bar. I have to give the A bar. But how much I am giving here? A. So in between what I have to keep here? NOT gate. So that this is becoming as what? A bar. From this B, how much is going here? B bar. So that A bar B bar and then AB. Correct everything? Then what is our output here? A bar B bar plus AB. This is which gate here? XNOR gate. Clear? That is one of the circuit for you. If you draw another one, I will just tell you one simple circuit. That is just directly AB I will write here. How much will go out here? A into B, and then I will take a OR gate. Obviously finally you have to get the addition, so only there is no choice for us, OR gate only you have to take. Then from this what I will do, nothing but I will take one more AND gate here. For that AND gate what I will do means, here I will take a NOT gate like this, and then for the B also I will take a NOT gate. Is that correct? Yes, anybody drawn this kind of thing? This circuit? Very good, Netra. This one, how many have you drawn this one? Yes, very good, Nana, very good. So here this is, here how much is coming? A bar. Here how much is coming? B bar. So what is the output here? A bar, B bar. Then final output is A bar, B bar plus AB. Clear? That is one of the circuit. Even we can draw one more thing by the Boolean expressions, but I will tell you after the Boolean expression. Again, De Morgan laws will be there. By that also you can draw one more thing. Anybody else got any different diagram again? Also? Okay, ನಾನು ಎಗೆ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬಿ ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಗುಡ್. Finished? Next. One more concept here, De Morgan laws. Any idea about the De Morgan laws? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಝುಲಜಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಾನ, TH ಮಾರ್ಗಾನ, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಝುಲಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ ಲಾಸ್. De Morgan laws. So in this De Morgan laws, what De Morgan states nothing but, here A plus B whole bar gives you, here plus will become dot, so that is A bar dot B bar. This is one of the law. Okay, so the complementary of the addition becomes complementaries of the multiplication. That's it. So here even I can write it as A dot B whole bar becomes how much? A bar plus B bar. Clear? This is another one. Plus will become dot. Whenever bar is there, then only it is possible. Don't apply that AND gate is equals to OR gate and all. Okay, whenever bar is there, then only it is possible. So here A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. A dot B whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. Whenever here in the De Morgan laws, whenever we are having the complementary, then the plus become dot and then dot will become plus. Then here one more thing is, I will just write one more thing here, that is A bar plus B bar whole bar. Can you tell me the answer for this? How much? Very good. A into B you will get. See, just close it. Just close it. Then what is the answer you will get here? A plus B whole bar, nothing but A bar dot B bar. So I will close it and then I will write the output as A bar dot B bar. Now I see here how many are there, again bars are there. So again put a bar, put a bar. Then what will get the answer here? A dot B. Then next fourth case is A bar dot B bar whole bar. How much answer will get here? What will get? A plus B. See that, close it, and A dot B whole bar is A bar plus B bar. Again individual bars are there. Then what is the answer I can get? A plus B. Clear? Now you just tell me the another circuit for that by using this De Morgan laws. Tell me another circuit for this XNOR. Expression is this one. ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೋದು? ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು AND gate. If I put NOR gate in the down, second gate as a NOR gate, then what happens? If I put the second gate as a NOR gate, then what happens? Check this. I will remove the knots also. I will remove the knots. Now I will just put a NOR gate here. Clear? I have not put any knot here, directly AB only I am giving. So this is A, this is B. What is the output here? A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar, what I can write? A bar dot B bar. So AB I got from here. A bar dot B bar I am getting from here. Clear? You can either make in that way also, but they will give any kind of circuit, but you have to identify the answer finally, means you have to write the Boolean expression first of all. Okay, each and every gate you have to identify. Okay, this is the AND gate. AND gate nothing but A into B will come. This is a NOR gate, so that A plus B whole bar will come. From that, what is the output I can get? That output will be there in the options only. You can check that. They will give the circuit in the problem. They will give the options in the output. That's it. You will get the answer. That is about the exclusive OR and then exclusive NOR gates, Boolean expressions. Finish this one. De Morgan laws. Some of the Boolean laws are there still. We will discuss that also. Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions in the De Morgan's laws. Next, NAND and NOR gates are universal logic gates. What is the reason why I said like that? What is that? NAND and NOR are universal logic gates. How can you say like that? By using that NAND and then NOR gate, we can make the other gates. Nothing but only by using NAND gate in my circuit, I can make either AND or NOT gates. By using only NOR gate in my circuit, I can make the AND, OR and then NOT gates. So, you can make any logic gate by using these logic gates, these two logic gates which are there, NAND and then NOR. So, only those are called as universal logic gates. How it is possible, we will see. So, first of all, I will take the NAND gate here. How can I make the NOT gate from the NAND gate? How can I make NOT gate from the NAND gate? AND gate remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? AND gate remove ಮಾಡದೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಬಲ್ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. You have to make NOT gate from the NAND gate. NOT gate, one thing I said about the NOT gate, how many inputs will be there for the NOT? Only one input, one output, correct? So, I have actually NAND gate nothing but I have two inputs like this. This is my NAND gate in reality. I want to make it as one input. What I can do? I will combine them. That's it. I will combine the two inputs here. So, how many inputs are becoming as? Only one input, and then how many outputs are there? Only one output is there. So, this is the NOT gate here. That might be the NAND gate, that might be the, this is very important, that might be the NAND gate or NOR gate, that is, whenever you are mixing the two inputs there, then what happening, how many inputs are coming? Only one input is coming. So, that is obviously which gate? That is NOT gate only. Clear? This is applicable for the NAND gate as well as the NOR gate. So, I just combined the two inputs and then I can form which gate here? NOT gate. This is the NOT from NAND. NOT from NAND. Now, tell me AND from NAND. AND from NAND. How can you make the AND gate from the NAND gate? This is my NAND gate now. Remove ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಬಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ. ಬಬಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಬಲ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಗೇಟ್ನೇ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಬರೇ NAND ಗೇಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು NAND ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಒಂದು NAND ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? What you are saying? Tell me clearly. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಎತ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್, ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ NAND gate like this. This is what? NAND. This is what? NOT. So what happens? It will become how much? Not, and then not gets cancelled. I said already a bar whole bar is what? A only. In the same way here, for this you are doing complementary again. Nothing but here output is how much? This is A, this is B. So this will be how much? AB whole bar. This one is AB whole bar. Then what happens again? What is the answer? AB. AB means which gate? Of course, AND gate only, right? So this is the AND gate. Clear? That is how you can make. Now I want you to make that R from and NAND. No other gates, you have to use only NAND gate in your circuit. R gate from the NAND. How can you make that? R barbeku answer. A plus B barbeku. You have to take AB whole bar and then you have to get A plus B. How it is possible? In front of you only answer is there. A bar? Yes, very good. Very good. See the De Morgan laws. I said NAND gate, no? NAND gate nothing but what you have to get here. Let us take this one. A bar, B bar, whole bar is equal to how much answer you are getting? A plus B. A plus B means which gate? R gate only, right? Okay, A dot B whole bar, okay, it will come by the NAND gate only. But how can you get A bar, B bar? Not you have to do. Not also you have to do by using what? NAND only again. So let's check this one. Now what I am doing, nothing but I am doing like this. Can it give the answer? This is how much here? A. Output is A bar. This is B. Output is B bar. A, B is coming here. So that A bar dot B bar whole bar. Correct? Huh? Then what is the answer from the De Morgan law, sir? Simply A plus B. That's it. Finished. Clear, right, everybody? Next NOR gate also in the same way only. So I will draw that NOR gate also. Then you can copy that. NOR gate as a universal gate. NOT. How can you get the NOT? NOT from the NOR. How can you get the NOT? What you have to do always? NOT. You have to get the NOT means simply combine the inputs. That's it. It will give you the answer. So that I have taken the NOR gate and I have combined the inputs. So that this is A means this is how much? Obviously A bar. Then next one is I want to get the R from the NOR. Then what I have to do? R from the NOR nothing but I have to take one gate as it is here. Then output what I have to do? This is NOR, right? NOR plus what I have to do? NOT. NOT nothing but again I have to take a NOT gate here like this. So NOR plus NOT gives you R. So this is the OR gate output A, B. Check this. This is how much? A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. How much answer? A plus B only. Finished. Next one is AND gate. How can I do? AND from NOR. How can we do that? AND from NOR. How can we do that? See the De Morgan laws. Plus operation nothing but I have this one and then this one. From this, how can you get the AND? Which is giving the output of AND here? First equation or second equation? Output of AND. Second equation, right? AB is there. AB nothing but AND. So what are the inputs should be? A bar plus B bar whole bar. Nothing but again what you can do? In the same way, this only again. So here take a NOT first. Take a NOT. And then take one more NOT. Combine them as a NOR. Check that this is A. How much? A bar. B. B bar. Which one this is? Plus and then bar. So here A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar is what? A into B. So which gate we got finally? A into B nothing but AND gate. Clear? Like that. NAND and NOR gates are called as universal logic gates. NAND and NOR gates are called as universal logic gates. universal logic gates because all the other gates can be built by using these gates. వరుణ్ డీసీ పండ పట్టుకురా నాన్న, అక్కడే ఉంటుంది. వాటర్ బాటిల్ కూడా తీసుకోరా. అలాగే ಬಿಸಿಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ. ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬೇರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಯುವರಾಜ? that much of fire is there within you? inside ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೇನಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕನ ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತಾರ. ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಲವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾನ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ನೋಡು ಪಾಪ. ಸ್ಲಿಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಲವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೇಕ್ ಲವ್. ಪ್ರಮೋದ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಪ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ? ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ right, next problem. Finished? Next one, construct truth table for function of x from a and b. Yes, in the morning somebody sneezed, no, whenever I was entering into the class. So only the XR and then XNOR got wrong. Who is that fellow? Who is that? Tauza. उसका expressions देखो एक बार. Right, you have to construct the truth table for that diagram. A, B and then X. Write the Boolean expression and then construct the truth table. That is about the one diagram. Next one is different. Tell me the last answer, final answers. This indicates that connection is not there. Okay na? This one, this half ring indicates that connection is not there. Nothing but between this A and B, here there is no connection. That is the meaning of that. Tell me the Boolean expression first and then finally tell me the truth table answer. Final, last row tell me. You tell me the last row, that's it. Zero, zero, 1, 0 na? Yaudu? Ida first there. 0, 0, 1, 0. Anybody else? Wrong. Both are wrong answers. Any other answers? We get some odd answer for this. Any? Huh? All 0. Yes, all 0 is the correct answer. Everything is 0 only. A 0 ಬರೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ everything is 0 only. Vinita only got the answer. Yes, Yuraja, you got? Yes, good. Very good. Anybody else? You got all zeros? Yes, very good. Yes, very good, very good. All zeros only will get. Can you tell me the Boolean expression for the first one? X is equals to A into A plus B whole bar. That's it. So here X is equals to, here what will get, here connection is there, but what is getting here? A. Then here how much is going? A. How much is going here? B. Which gate this is? NOR gate. NOR gate output is how much? A plus B whole bar. Correct? Now this is which gate here? AND gate. So what is our output finally? A into A plus B whole bar. Is that correct? How many of you got that correctly? Raise your hands. Yes, almost. Very good. Very good all of you. Then why you cannot check the truth table? That will be very easy. Check that. First case is what here? 0 and then 0. Put 0 in the place of A. Here also 0. B also 0 whole bar. So 0 into 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. 0 bar is how much? 1. So that 0 into 1 is how much? 0. Listen here. Listen all of you. So I have taken here 0 into 0 plus 0 whole bar. First case is what? A is 0, B is 0. So that here 0 plus 0 whole bar, nothing but 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. Bar is how much? 1. Here is how much is there? 0, and then 0 into 1 is how much? 0 only. Next case is 0 and 1. A is 0, B is 1. So that A is 0, B is 1 whole bar. So here 0 into, this one is 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. 1 bar is how much? 0. So 0 only the answer, final answer. Then again third case is 1 0. A is 1, 1 plus 0 whole bar. 1 plus 0 nothing but 1. Bar is how much? 0. into how much is there? 1 is there. 1 into 0 is how much? 0 only again. Next case is 1 and 1. A is 1, B also 1 only. So 1 into 1 plus 1 is how much? 1. 1 bar nothing but how much? 0. So 1 into 0 is 0 again. So everything is zeros only. Clear? This is how you have to check. You should not waste the time by taking 0, 0 and all the cases separately and all. Directly by the Boolean expression only you can get the answer. So these are the answers whenever 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Can you tell me this expression? For this, what is the expression? What is that? A bar plus B plus A plus B bar whole bar. Correct? So see that here how much is coming? A, not get nothing but A bar. Directly B is coming. So which gate this is? Which gate? R gate. So plus, so that what I can write here? A bar plus B. Next one is, next expression is what here? A plus B bar. Why? Because B is going here and then B bar and then A is coming directly. A plus B bar. Next this is which gate here? NOR gate. NOR gate nothing but you have to put the plus first, then later complement. So here first of all one input is how much here? A plus B. Second input is what? A plus B bar. In between them what operation? Plus, again whole, complementary. Again you check the answers in the same way. What is the answers you will get again? Zeros only. Everything is zeros. Clear? Deepika, off cheyamma video.